Unveiling the Italian genomics revolution. A new chapter in DNA research. The missing piece of the puzzle. Unlocking the power of RPE-1. In a groundbreaking collaboration, Italian institutions have joined forces with international partners to assemble the Diploid RPE-1 Genome, a crucial advancement in genomics. This achievement, led by the Area Science Park, Sapienza University, Dante Labs, and the University of L'Aquila, has been hailed as a significant step forward in the study of centromeres. The RPE-1 cell line, one of the most widely utilized in global cell and molecular biology experiments, has now been given a new lease of life with an incredibly accurate reference genome. This development is a game-changer for genetic research, cancer studies, and drug development, as it provides an almost flawless source code for these essential cells. But here's where it gets controversial. The team utilized innovative technologies like PacBio and Oxford Nanopore, achieving an astonishing 99.999% accuracy across multiple chromosomes. This level of precision is unprecedented and has sparked debates among scientists about the potential implications and applications. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but with a high-tech magnifying glass, says Andrea Riposati, CEO of Dante Omics AI. The RPE-1 genome assembly is a breakthrough, offering an unparalleled view of centromeres and other critical regions. This is a game-changer for biotech companies focused on cell engineering and CRISPR gene editing. The RPE-1v1v1 assembly is now publicly available via NCBI and UCSC Genome Browser, inviting researchers worldwide to explore and utilize this powerful resource. The full article, published in Nature Communications, provides an in-depth look at this achievement. And this is the part most people miss. The collaboration between these Italian institutions and their international partners showcases the power of global cooperation in scientific research. It's a reminder that breakthroughs often come from diverse teams, bringing together unique expertise and perspectives. Dante Omics AI, a leader in AI-powered genomic solutions, played a pivotal role in this project. Their innovative platform, combining AI and high-performance computing, is at the forefront of advancing genomic analysis. So, what does this mean for the future of genomics? How will this new reference genome impact our understanding of DNA and its applications? These are questions that scientists and researchers are now grappling with. The answers could shape the next wave of discoveries and innovations in biotechnology. Are you excited about the potential of this new reference genome? Do you think it will revolutionize our understanding of genetics? Share your thoughts and join the discussion in the comments below.